Hello? I don't know if this is even going anywhere at this point, but we're all going to be very, very well off. Hey, how are you? Anybody out there? Chickadee check, y'all. No, I wasn't supposed to be on mic. That's why. No, I was on a call with my people, but I wanted to let the screen run and get ready for what we're about to do. Yo. Oops, sorry. Oh, I can't have the microphone on. That's all right. Let me see if I can get this to work. Hold on a second. Check. 1 2 1 2. The internet should be able to hear me. Hit the bid should be able to hear me. The only ones that can't hear me are these guys over here. All right, everybody. What's up? I appreciate you've been watching my videos. Thank you for liking, subscribing, whatever the hell they call it on TikTok. I'm live right now on YouTube. Find me. Either Stock Market TV or Hit the Bid Radio on YouTube. I'm going to be live till 4 o'clock. Fed meeting is they're about to raise and hopefully raise interest rates, and the market's going to crash, which would be awesome. I don't think that's going to happen, but it'd be awesome if it did. More importantly, we'll see if there's any actionable ideas. A lot of times this is just an annoying 2 hours of chop and just garbage, and we just wait for tomorrow. But today's been an exceptional day. We waited and waited, got paid on a Q short, just became a long. But the FIGR trade, stalking that thing and nailing it at the lows of the day for the buy, it's professional trading right there, baby. All right. So anyway, if you were sitting there along with me and I was just, waiting to buy figure, like I was explaining, there's going to be a point where it faux show bros, right? Because the stock is still good. They were just bleeding somebody out, right? I'll be at the Kentucky game the prior week, but you're going to be there? I don't wear my old school Georgia hat. Yeah. Better than the Jets and the Giants. That was a great game. I couldn't believe they won. Hey, what's up, Lakeland? So anyway, I didn't mean to interrupt my man Solid. But if you come to our website, and especially if you're there tonight, tomorrow night, we're doing the schmooze. We got Jeff Hirsch definitely coming. And if our friend Solid takes a nap, we'll get him on too, because you guys got to meet him. Solid represents, if you don't know who I'm talking about, he was a member of our website back in the day. And now he's the co-leader here who has taken this VWAP thing and turned it into something extraordinary. I like to do a lot of this stuff manually, my pivot points. He's got an algo that basically predicts where these lines should be, the pivot points, and even to the point where if you have a blue sky breakout, you really don't know how high it's going to go on a breakout. His algo pretty much predicts it. It's pretty amazing. He had a prediction from April 9th for the rally to continue to around August 18th, and he was off by a day. It was pretty cool. All right, so anyway, the figure trade that you guys were waiting on, right? I was just waiting for a reason to buy, faux show, and then it starts to bro. You buy the 37, and you use the half as your stop, and then it gets back to the levels where it broke down from. You sell some here, you sell some here, Here I was thinking we were going probably to 39.50, and I just got stopped out, which is perfect because I don't want to be in a position with the Fed about to do whatever they're going to do. So it's imminent now. You guys will get it before I do, I assume. Half cut, quarter cut. And then I say knee-jerk reaction up, and then we get a chance to short some stocks. See if it plays out like that. And then you got to remember there's the conference call after. All right, so annihilation complete. Like I said, there'll be a big green candle that wipes out all the shorts. So far predictions are happening. Bleed the market to death, convince these morons that the stock market could actually go down, rip their heads off, and there's the rip them the heads off, right? UVXY is going down. There's zero chance the market's going down today. There it is. It's over. Just another typical day, right? UVXY just went to the lows of the day. Unless UVXY is over 11.15, unless UVXY is over $11.15, there's no chance the market's going to go down. So let's wait. What'd they cut them by? Half, quarter, no cut, rate cut, something cut? All right, 25. So listen, if you're not impressed by my first prediction coming true, you should be. Look, I nailed it, right? They're going to bleed the market down, right? It's going to hit 587.50, and then it's going to bounce, and then they're going to rip the rest of the people's heads off who don't cover. Boom! It's happened. Now, will we get the counter trend move? So far, everything that I described is happening. And here comes UVXY. So if UVXY gets over $11, we are now right back to where the whole thing started. So now it's a non-event. This is all working out exactly like I said. Bleed them, rip them, roll it. The only thing we're not getting is UVXY. So we just might be in store for some chop. But if UVXY doesn't budge from here, chances are it's going to be a typical day. Chop, 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 rally, continue to rally, brand new highs. You never seen a down day for the rest of the year, if not till 2028. So right now, about a minute and a half ago, or let's say 30 seconds ago, the shorts thought they were onto something. Good luck with that. UVXY will tell the tale. Right now, UVXY is reminding us, chances are that down move is now new generational lows that you may never see ever again. Ever. Today's lows are now new generational lows. 587.50 are now new generational lows, meaning you will never see 587.50 again in our lifetime. And we're about to blast off the 20% that I told you about. So you got to be strapped in right now and start not only just thinking the Qs are going to 600, but 650, 700, and then 1,000 within the next 2.5 years. And it all starts right now. Right? Right? Nobody was really thinking we were going to go down today, right? And again, if you're thinking that, go look at our friend UVXY. And your answer is right there. UVXY is about to break the lows of the day. Does the market ever go down when UVXY is also going down? The answer is no. So we're not going down. We're not going down. We don't go down. We never go down. Market never goes down. All right. If you're not long something yet, I don't know. I don't know what to tell you. Qs aren't even green yet. But man, Quantum just ripped every one of them. New highs. UVXY, new lows pretty much. So look, the Qs is the anomaly right now. What are they doing not being up 2 points? Oh, I know why. Because Meta's down 8, Palantir's down 5, Reddit down 5, Google still down 2. Won't last. Can't last. We don't go down. Right? So right now I'm keeping my put buy to myself. There's no reason to be buying puts. But it is strange that the Qs are still red. We're 5 minutes into this Fed. Figured they'd be up 3 points by now. I mean, I guess they are up 2 off lows, but that's really insignificant. Money's pouring into somewhere, just not the Qs right now. Money's certainly poured into the quantum stocks. Dang. Am I actually thinking that we could go down today? No, I ain't shorting the Qs, but I'm getting ready to short the Qs just in case. I mean, could this be really happening? Are we really getting the finger of God here on the Qs? Yeah. Stop teasing me. Are we really going to roll over? Am I really going to have to put this position on? Holy fucking shit. I got to buy something. I got to buy. Look, it's actually turning out to be exactly what I thought was going to happen. We got to my red line and that became the resistance. No way this is going to happen. No way am I nailing this day this perfectly. No way. But it is happening. If UVXY spikes 30 cents right now, I might just let out a joyful